Looking to boost your sales efficiency? With KrispCall and Apptivo CRM integration, keeping customer interactions in one place is easier than ever. Imagine every call, contact, and CRM data point seamlessly linked for an efficient, streamlined workflow. Save time, stay organized, and get ready to deliver a better experience. Let's explore how to integrate KrispCall with Apptivo. Setting up is simple. Log into KrispCall, head to Settings, select Integrations, find Apptivo CRM, and hit Connect. Then, log into Apptivo to get your access key and API key from Business Settings under API Access. Add these to KrispCall along with your email to complete the setup, and your CRM and calling systems will be instantly connected. Once connected, tailor the features to suit your needs. In the Apptivo integration panel, activate New Contact Creation, sync contacts from KrispCall to Apptivo automatically. Two-way contact sync, keep contacts updated across both platforms. Notes logging, sync call notes with Apptivo in real time. Find these options under General Settings and use Workflow Settings to fine-tune your call preferences and add multiple phone numbers for enhanced customization. Adding contacts has never been easier. In KrispCall, go to Contacts, enter the contact's name and number, and hit Add New Contact to sync with Apptivo instantly. Got a large contact list? No problem. Download KrispCall's CSV template, fill in the contacts, and upload. Your contacts will sync right away, saving you valuable time. Now, making a call is just a click away. Remember that to make calls, you need to install the KrispCall Dialer extension. To install the dialer, go to Extensions, choose Manage Extensions, search KrispCall Dialer in the Chrome Web Store, and add it to Chrome. Now, with one click on a contact's number in Apptivo, the dialer opens, and the number is dialed. No manual entry is needed. During calls, you can jot down important details directly from the dialer, and after each call, all details, including duration, notes, and recordings, are automatically synced with Apptivo. All the information you need is right there, ready for follow-up. Worried about missed calls? KrispCall's voicemail integration ensures you don't miss a beat. Missed calls are logged in Apptivo with a link to listen to or download voicemails. Stay on top of every inquiry even when you're unavailable. With KrispCall and Apptivo CRM fully integrated, your CRM and calling systems are now seamlessly connected, keeping you organized and ready to drive better results. Integrate today and experience the power of connected calls and CRM. Contact our chat support for more information.